How to fix voicemail not working on iPhone. So if you're using an iPhone and you discover that your voicemail is not working, or you see visual voicemail is currently unavailable, and if you try to check out the call voicemail, then this is going to turn to call ended and it's not going to work. There is no way you can change the voicemail greetings. There is no way you can set a preferred voicemail number. Then this video is going to walk you through how to fix the voicemail not working on your phone. So this works on all iPhone, all users that's interested in using voicemail on their device. So if I don't know this, you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to fix voicemail not working on iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Once open the settings app, scroll down, select general, then scroll down the general page, locate language and region, and then click on that. Now under language and region, locate region, click on it. You want to change your region from whatever it is to United States. Then search for United States. Then you can change your English to US English or UK English. So in this case, I'm just going to keep the UK English. Then hang on while your iPhone sets the region. Once the region is set, your current region will be set to United States, or your region will be changed from wherever it is to United States. My region was Nigeria, and now selecting United States will change my region from Nigeria to United States. So you just need to hang on for your iPhone region to change from Nigeria to United States, and then set the language you choose. So if you set US English or UK English, then that's what you're going to see. Now let's confirm this. Go back to your iPhone settings. Again, click on General, and then once again scroll down, click on Language and Region. Then here you can see we have region set to United States, then the English is set to UK English. Now with your region changed to United States, then your voicemail will now start working. So you can now go ahead, change your voicemail greetings and start using voicemail on your phone. So that is basically how to fix voicemail not working on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.